What's up, everybody? This is Nobo Studios. I'm Slade.
I'm Landon. I'm Grace.
Probably barely hear you. Okay. So today we are playing Build a Boat for Treasure. I forgot to start, but we literally just went through like the first two levels. So this
Oh,
I don't remember this level.
I do. It throws snowballs.
So I built that tower, and Landon built like cannons on top of each other, so they like went out like that.
They fell, yeah.
But they fell, so.
I have like 4 cans just stacked on top of each other.
We also have one little window piece, and we don't know how, but our boat is like bouncing.
Oh, it's because of all my bumpers.
Seriously?
Yeah. Oh, tornadoes. Wait.
I'd say Grace is the most protected because there's like 3 layers of blocks around her.
Why are there so many? I think my bumpers have actually protected us.
Well, the rocks keep going under us, so because of the bumpers. It's like a real boat.
Kind of. No, not really.
Oh, we just gotta make.
Back.
Oh no! I'm standing up.
I think
Why did all thrones get destroyed?
how come our thrones got destroyed? Better yet.
How did the ones that are outside not get destroyed?
I think we're doing good just because of our giant pole in the front. Like, look at it. It's like we're jousting someone.
Like how? There's no hole for it to get out of. That's crazy. And all front. Oh, this.
We're doomed. We're doomed. Well, actually, this is good. Gracie isn't going to be the one to get doomed.
Well,
If anyone gets doomed,
the last person to probably get doomed would probably be you. And the first
exactly.
one. Yay! Is this okay? Like, is this
Luckily, we have the giant jousting thing.
jousting? What?
We have the giant jouster thing.
No, it fell off.
Our giant jouster.
There's only one left out of all 4. Okay, no, not mine. There's only 0.
Wait, are we almost done? I'm checking.
I don't think we're even close.
No. We've got like, what, 4 levels left?
I'm gonna get to that one annoying level so I can just get done with it. Hey, Landon, your torch is making a rocket boost.
I like it. Guys, I'm saving the boat. How?
It just took a piece of glass. How dare it? It just took our flags. This is rude. I don't remember this.
I think they made an update since last time we played.
Yep. We haven't played this in a while.
This would be the
Oh my goodness, there's a giant hole in the corner.
It took out all of the stuff that was on the top.
Yep, basically.
Would it stop?
Wouldn't you think it would just throw us? Wouldn't you think it would just throw us when it hit us?
What happened to our boat? It's turned into Swiss cheese. Oh, good. We're in one of the small levels.
I think we're at the waterfall, I think. Yep, we're at the waterfall. How do we do that so quickly?
It was a very quick slate.
Well, we usually just,
How would you feel if Gracie just fell out the boat right now?
I actually wouldn't be surprised. Oh, look at the front of our, well, look at the back of our boat.
I know, right? Oh, that's bad.
How are you? Tackle.
Let's go! Treasure! Wait, I can't get out! After this, I'll have enough to get a legendary.
How much do you get from it?
Like 100.
Oh yeah, exactly 100.
It won't take me back. I'm staying in the treasure chest.
You gotta, like, jump.
I know, I did. Hey, I'm stuck!
What do we do now?
Wait. I just got a legendary crate.
I have 200. I have 238.
Very strong. A rock block that looks very strong.
What is it? Place it down. I want to see it.
It looks like obsidian from Minecraft.
Place it down. Place it.
That.
That looks like marble.
I just got like a super cannon.
Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. Oh, yes. Let me see it.
Super cannon.
I think that's what he. Well. Oh,
Is that rocket?
I think that's what he was talking about. Rocket. Hold on. Let's see. Let's just place some blocks down. Put a seed on.
Okay. I'm just gonna place a small little seed down.
Hold on. Yeah. Hold on. Wait for me. Yeah. Get it connected.
Okay, I'm gonna place a rocket.
What? No, it's gotta be connected to the wall. Connected to the wall. That's not okay.
Is that the right way?
I think so. I think it's the right way, yeah.
And also we have to try this block.
Did you get any other new blocks?
No. Oh, I got glass.
How much?
6.
Hey, Grace, here, you can use that chair in the middle of the open. Yeah, you're on the platform.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Okay, more on the platform. There.
Don't care if I have a throne right now, because this is literally a test.
Let's go. What? What even was that?
That would be a rocket boost.
So we put it the wrong way. Wanna retry this? I think we.
No, I want to try out this block. I'm gonna count how many times it takes a hit.
Okay. Hold on. Let's put. I say we redo it and use it the correct way. Don't you?
Oh, you can use it twice.
It's only like one time.
Yeah. I got it. Common chat.
Wow, that's sad. Why aren't we moving?
I just got an epic chat.
Why aren't we moving? Someone has to jump up. Grace, jump up. Grace, jump up.
Probably.
How did Grace get all the way up there?
Somewhere just lag. You're all the way back there.
Everyone, jump up. I'm not that. Ah!
I'm lasting longer. I died. Hey, I got only one left. Okay, I died. Okay, so that will wrap up this video.
Yeah, I hope you liked it, guys. Subscribe, like the video, share it
Do
with friends.
hashtag Landon View if you want to see my views of games. And then I'll see you guys. We'll see you guys in
And
the
if you want,
next one.
if you only want to see my view, right? Hashtag only Slade's view.
So we'll
Hope
see
you
you
like.
guys in the
I hope you liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.